Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In a world where artificial intelligence is becoming an everyday tool, one skill is rapidly emerging as the key to unlocking its full potential: prompt engineering. But what is it? And why is it essential to the future of communication between humans and machines? Welcome to Mastering Prompt Engineering, the art of communicating with AI. In this video, we'll explore how simple instructions, known as prompts, can shape powerful AI outcomes. From beginners to advanced creators, this guide will equip you with the tools, techniques, and mindset to master the art of prompting. Let's get started on this exciting journey into the language of AI. So, let's understanding the concept. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the science and art of creating prompts that produce desired outcomes from AI systems. Why it matters: AI models are trained on vast datasets, but don't understand your intent the way a human does. The prompt is your interface to communicate with the model. A good prompt helps you get more relevant and coherent answers, improve task accuracy, reduce trial and error, unleash the full potential of the model's capabilities. Techniques of prompt engineering are: First one, zero-shot prompting. Ask without examples. Explain blockchain in simple terms. Second one, few-shot prompting. Provide examples in your prompt. Here are 2 good jokes. Now, write a third one in the same style. Third one, chain of thought prompting. Ask the model to reason step by step. Let's solve this math problem step by step. Fourth one, role-based prompting. Tell the AI to assume a specific persona. You are a professional nutritionist. Suggest a 7-day keto diet plan. Here's a breakdown of why prompt engineering truly matters. Prompt engineering isn't just a technical trick. It's becoming a core digital skill in the age of artificial intelligence. As AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini become widespread across industries, the ability to communicate effectively with these systems through prompts is essential. The initial one: AI is only as good as its input. Large language models, LLMs, don't understand like humans do. They respond based on the input they receive. A clear, well-structured prompt acts as a set of instructions, guiding the model toward the outcome you want. Analogy: just like a GPS needs a clear destination, an AI model needs a well-defined prompt to reach a meaningful response. Next one, precision reduces errors and saves. Poor prompts often lead to vague, inaccurate, or irrelevant responses, causing frustration and wasted time. With well-engineered prompts, you can minimize hallucinations, false or made-up facts, avoid rework and repetitive queries, get higher quality results in fewer attempts. Example: instead of saying write a product description, say write a persuasive 100-word product description for a new wireless gaming headset targeting Gen Z gamers. Another one, supercharges productivity. Across roles, prompt engineering unlocks massive efficiency in nearly every profession key point. One person with great prompt skills can replace hours of manual work. Following one transforms AI from a tool to a collaborator. Prompt engineering shifts your relationship with AI from using it like a calculator to collaborating with it like a creative assistant, strategist, or coach. Through effective prompting, you can get brainstorming support, simulate expert opinions, analyze data with commentary, role-play customer or client feedback, afterwards, reduces dependency on developers or specialists. Non-technical users can accomplish tasks that once required coding, design, or marketing expertise just by prompting effectively. Example: with the right prompt, A teacher can create an entire interactive quiz app layout without touching code, using tools like GPT-4 or Copilot. Afterwards, enables safer and more reliable outputs. Good prompts also act as safety checks. You can ask for source citations, set boundaries like avoid biased language, require outputs in a specific format for compliance. Last one, it's the literacy of the AI era in. The same way that search engine literacy transformed how we find information, prompt literacy is transforming how we generate it. Those who master the language of AI will shape the future, not just use it. Now move ahead with types of prompts engineering. At first, zero-shot prompting. A direct request with no examples or context relies on the AI's general knowledge. Use case: when the task is simple or you're testing how well the model performs without assistance. Example prompt: summarize the causes of World War I. Pros: quick and easy, no preparation required. Cons: less accurate for complex or ambiguous tasks, can misinterpret vague prompts. Then after, few-shot prompting, you provide a few examples to show the AI how to respond. Use case: useful when zero-shot results are inconsistent or when formatting is important. Example prompt: translate the following English sentences to French. I love apples. J'aime les pommes. Pros: better structure and style imitation, helps clarify ambiguous instructions. Cons: longer prompts, model might still generalize inconsistently. Third one, chain of thought, COT, prompting, encourages the model to show step-by-step reasoning before giving a final answer. As case, great for logical, mathematical, or multi-step problems. Example, prompt: if a train travels 60 miles in 1.5 hours, what is its average speed? Think step by step. Pros: improves accuracy in reasoning tasks, helps reveal the model's logic. Cons: slightly slower responses may result in verbose answers. Next is role-based prompting. You assign the model a role or persona to frame its responses. Use case: for simulating experts, customer personas, or stylized content. Example prompt: you are a professional nutritionist. Create a 1-week vegetarian diet plan for weight loss. Pros: adds realism and depth, helps control tone, style, and voice. Cons: must be specific about the role. Model may overact the role if not guided. Following one, instructional prompting, gives explicit, detailed instructions on what to do and how. Use case: best for well-defined tasks like summarizing, rewriting, formatting, or comparing. Example prompt: summarize the following paragraph in 3 bullet points using simple language. Pros: highly controllable, ideal for business, writing, and structured tasks. Cons: needs careful wording, too much instruction may confuse the model. Next one, contextual prompting, includes relevant background information or source material to guide the AI's answer. Use case: helpful when the task depends on domain-specific or external information. Example, prompt: based on the job description below, write a cover letter tailored to it. Insert job description. Pros: custom responses, increases specificity and relevance. Cons: longer prompt length, may still hallucinate if the context is unclear. Then comes prompt chaining, splits a complex task into multiple stages by chaining several prompts together. Use case: used in automation workflows or multi-step processes. Example, workflow prompt. 1. Summarize the text below. Prompt 2. Turn the summary into 5 social media captions. Pros: modular and reusable, keeps responses focused at each step. Cons: requires management of intermediate outputs, slightly slower overall process. Lastly, hypothetical prompting uses what-if scenarios or counterfactual thinking to explore creative or complex ideas. Use case: ideal for brainstorming, simulations, or imaginative writing. Example prompt: what if Albert Einstein were alive today and had access to a quantum computer? Write an essay imagining his discoveries. Pros: creative and engaging, good for storytelling and speculative content. Cons: can produce unrealistic or fanciful responses. Further topic is prompt structures and templates. First, writing. Write a content about topic in tone style. Second, summarization. Summarize the following text in bullet sentences. Third, data analysis. You are a data analyst. Explain data to audience. Fourth, education. Explain concept to a student level using analogies. Fifth, email business. Write a professional email to person about topic. Sixth, programming. Write debug language code that task. Seventh, multi-step reasoning. Let's think step by step. Problem. Eighth, translation. Translate to language in a tone text. Here are real-world applications. Content creators use prompts for blog posts, video scripts, and email copy. Developers use prompts to debug code or generate documentation. Students and teachers use prompts for tutoring, summarizing, and learning. Marketers use prompts for SEO, customer personas, and campaign ideas. Experimenting and iterating. Prompting is not an exact science, it's an experiment. Try. Summarize this in 3 bullet points. Prompt engineering works across many AI platforms. ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic, Gemini by Google, Midjourney, or DALL-E for image generation. Common mistakes to avoid: being too vague, asking multiple questions at once, forgetting to define the tone or audience. Let's go ahead with advanced prompting techniques. Begin with chain of thought, COT, core idea, step-by-step reasoning, best for, logic, math, analysis. Secondly, self-consistency. Core idea, sample multiple answers, best for, accuracy and problem solving. Thirdly, role-based core idea, assign a persona or expert voice, best for, tone control, simulations fouthly, retrieval augmented core idea, add factual context, best for, real-time knowledge, RAG fifth one, react core idea, think, act, tool, observe, best for, tool use, agent behavior, sixth one, multi-prompting core idea, combine multiple prompts, best for, diversity and consensus. Next one, prompt chaining core idea, break task into subprompts, best for, workflow automation. After that, meta-prompting core idea, prompt that creates prompts, best for, advanced systems, LLM-based tools. Next is guardrails constraints core idea, add rules and format instructions, best for, compliance, safety, factual output. Last one, self-critique core idea, force AI to check itself, best for, error reduction, iterative improvement. Let's move on to the conclusion. Prompt. Engineering is not just a tech skill, it's a new form of literacy. In the coming years, those who can speak the language of AI will hold an edge in creativity, productivity, and innovation. Whether you're using AI for content, code, insights, or storytelling, prompting is the key to unleashing its power. Start small, practice often, and experiment without fear. Thank you for watching Mastering Prompt Engineering, the Art of Communicating with AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to master AI communication.